When I've told people what I'm doing, they're like, what?
I have no aspirations of clowning in my life. And I thought, how fun would it be to go to clown college at this age? I wrote to Janice and I said, do you want to go and do this?
I told Valdez, I need to find the clown in me.
That's right, you said that, find the clown in you. I love that.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Welcome to our little circus here in Ringling Museum. It's a class with clowning and printmaking, using the culture of the circus as inspiration.
My passion is in printmaking.
Who's done printmaking? I mean, come on, especially the type of printmaking that we did.
For me, printmaking is not about a finished product, it's about the process.
Her teaching skills are impeccable.
We will be ultimately creating our own circus poster.
I really didn't know that the printmaking would involve looking at the archives, which was incredible.
Our curator of circus, Jennifer Lemmer-Posey, has pulled some really wonderful pieces for us.
You can start to see this is a rare example where the color separations weren't lined up. There's an extra layer of yellow that was meant to be part of his skin tone.
But they welcomed us into the archives,
and we saw the model, the huge model that's in the Circus Museum.
So to learn it all, and the prep work and the leather and the metal guy, I mean, everybody seems to know more about the history of this than I do.
The circus, when they start, the MC just kind of announces, that this is the circus.
Ladies and gentlemen, girls and boys, children of all ages, welcome to the beautiful, historic Oslo Theater and the 2024 edition of the Summer Circus Spectacular!
Your blood starts, getting hot, and you're like, oh, you're all, because it gets you all excited, right?
So you can watch all these incredible acts and just, oh my God, how do these people do this? I could never do that. But then the clown comes on and oh, that's me.
And the clowning has been just pushing yourself a little bit every day.
Those two are professional clowns.
They say less is more, right? But more of less is funny.
So don't get me started. Don't get me started. It's got to be a red nose. What I'm going to do is use just a repetitive movement. I'm just doing hot dogs, hot dogs. I'm doing something that's boring so that the people are going to look at the person that's important at that moment.
If you're having fun, the audience is going to have fun. It was fun to see them come up and take it and laugh and build their own characters and their own way of telling the story, because it's just telling the story.
But time goes by so fast.
So we're going to be doing the show first? We're doing the show now.
Okay.
The show first.
We're going to do the show first.
So if you two, the hot dog gag is right over there, you're going to be on first, so the hot dog gag is right over there.
Today we are celebrating the conclusion of our Clowning Around workshop series, so thank you all so much for joining.
Ow, 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 ow. In the beginning, there weren't clowns. There were but 8 people coming to a class, scared because, what is a clown? What is a clown? What is a clown?
The clown is really the human.
But everybody, as we got to know each other, as we started sharing more, even while we were doing the printmaking with Jane, that we all were happy to be here.
Yeah, I just wanted the chance to just break out of the box and just do something totally different, and that I'm out of my routine and out of my comfort zone and throw myself into it and have a lot of fun.
I've been looking for stuff that's fun to do, looking for something to have an impact on my life in a different way than things have in the past.
I'm here because I wanted joy in my life because I've had a very rough year, and I love the circus.
My character is an inspiration of, I suppose, how I really feel. A little bit plaid and a little bit patchworked.
Why patchworked?
Aren't we all patchworked, Randy?
My mom was in a home, and I'm like, you know, I could learn to play an instrument, or juggle, or just do improv, and they can't leave. Mom, what do you think? I don't think you should do it. I think I'm gonna learn how to do it.
And you found bits of business.
That it's one of those experiences where you go through something with a group of people and you feel like there's a bond.
Laughter can do that though. You know, when you have a shared laughing experience, a laugh experience that's lighthearted, it just draws you together.
I wasn't sure what I was gonna expect. It's way more. They've taught us so much.
And hopefully we can, as adults, do something with our craft now that we've learned how to become clowns and do something in the community.